Let's discuss the jam topics. First of all, what is jam? Just a minute round. So it's probably asked in interview, mostly for sales and business development roles. So jam is where a person is given a topic in that moment or asked to choose a topic on their own to speak for 1 minute. So let's see what are the topics, latest topics that they are asking in interviews in this 2021. So first one is social media. So how social media is affecting people, advantages and disadvantages they are going to ask you. Next one is women empowerment. So how women are working nowadays and how the world has been changing. Third topic is corruption in India. Fourth topic is Modi government. So mostly they'll ask you on demonetization topic. And sixth one is politics, youth in politics. So they'll ask you regarding how beneficial it will be when youth will join the politics. And next one is education system in India. Eighth one is internet. So nowadays everyone are using internet. So they'll ask you what are the disadvantages or what you are learning from internet and by using internet. Ninth one is GST. So it's a hot topic which regularly we'll discuss. So they'll ask you this topic. And 10th topic is college days. So these are few topics, latest topics they are going to ask you, and few other topics are they might ask you regarding movies or which actor you admire, cricketer you admire, and for engineering students they might ask you what engineers aim for after BTech, and engineers are standing out in other professions. What are your views? So after BTech they are doing other jobs. So what are your views on it? They might ask you your goals, expectations, ideas. And one more topic is they might ask you education stress on engineering students. So and also one more topic is government job versus private job. So how beneficial is government job compared to private job? So whatever your views you can express it. And mostly what are required before speaking on jam topic is, firstly you have to keep the jam topic short and clear. You should smile, starting at the beginning, you have to smile and you have to start the topic with positive attitude. So use proper grammar, speak in a clear and audible voice. Always try to keep the topic simple and clear. So practice daily before going to interview. Directly in interview, if you speak, you'll get some mistakes and some grammatical mistakes you'll get. So better you try to speak at home. You practice daily on some or other topic. You sit in front of mirror, practice it. You can speak fluently. So practice general simple topics every day. Then your fluency will increase and you can speak on any topic. And don'ts means what you should not do in jam session is that you should not be nervous. First of all, it shows that you are not confident on you, and you should not make any fake stories. You should explain the topic with facts clearly and confidently. Mostly they will check your body language. Have a proper ending with conclusion. Don't take too long passes, because if you take that, then they'll give only 1 minute. If you go on taking long passes, then it doesn't make any sense and your time will complete. You can speak only few sentences, which will not give a full-fledged success. So these are the few jam topics. Please do like, share and subscribe.